We all have been afraid of failing at some or the other time. If this fear keeps you away from living the life of your dreams, listen to these powerful affirmations for at least 21 days or more. Let's begin. I can achieve anything. I can achieve anything. I let go of all my fears. I let go of all my fears. I release all the blockages to my success. I release all the blockages to my success. I'm going beyond fears and doubts. I am going beyond fears and doubts. I am ready to be brave. I am ready to be brave. I am ready to overcome all my obstacles to success. I am ready to overcome all my obstacles to success. I have faith in myself. I have faith in myself. I am capable. I am capable. I am competent. I am competent. I am courageous. I am courageous. I am intelligent. I am intelligent. I am smart. I am smart. I am talented. I am talented. I am brilliant. I am brilliant. I am valued. I am valued. I am treasured. I am treasured. I am unique in my own way. I am unique in my own way. I possess great inner strength. I possess great inner strength. I have strong willpower. I have strong willpower. I am a powerful spirit. I am a powerful spirit. I am a risk taker. I am a risk taker. I face my fears boldly. I face my fears boldly. I am emotionally strong. I am emotionally strong. I can manage my emotions well. I can manage my emotions well. I always act from the space of courage. I always act from the space of courage. My blessings are greater than my fears. My blessings are greater than my fears. I am greater than my circumstances. I am greater than my circumstances. I know, no matter what, I will be okay. I know, no matter what, I will be okay. I can overcome anything. I can overcome anything. I am unstoppable. I am unstoppable. I have the power to transform. I have the power to transform. I am the master of my life. I am the master of my life. I trust the process of my life. I trust the process of my life. I have faith the universe works for my highest good. I have faith the universe works for my highest good. I am ready to step forward. I am ready to step forward. I am ready to rise higher. I am ready to rise higher. I am ready to up my game. I am ready to up my game. I am ready to overcome everything. I am ready to overcome everything. I am ready to achieve everything I want. I am ready to achieve everything I want. I am ready to fulfill my dreams. I am ready to fulfill my dreams. I am ready to live my life to the fullest. I am ready to live my life to the fullest. I am living my life to the fullest. I am living my life to the fullest. I am achieving everything I have always wanted to. I am achieving everything I have always wanted to. Everything is working in my favor. Everything is working in my favor. I am bold and confident. I am bold and confident. I am fulfilling my dreams. I am fulfilling my dreams. I am proud of the brave person I have become. I am proud of the brave person I have become. I am grateful for the courage that I have. I am grateful for the courage that I have. You can achieve anything if you just believe in yourself and take that one step ahead. Believe and achieve. Believe and manifest.